Hi everyone, it's me, Ozzy, and today we're at the, I forgot the blah 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 con. Hi, it's me, Ozzy everyone, and right now we are standing right behind Brian's, and right now we're gonna be going to the Square-1v1 con, which is over there.
Wait till he finishes narrating.
Classic competition where I don't care about personal records, and I got PR average and single.
No way!
I did. It's you, one handed group 3. Viola, all the best. Words of advice from your father. When it's time to solve one hand, make sure you use one hand. Oh, she's just leaving. Bye. And she dropped a cube.
That was just my one. Good luck.
Okay, go.
Hello, how you going? Yeah, sure. How do you even open this? This is the real puzzle. It's got Olor on it.
Yeah, well,
How does it have Olor but it doesn't have me? Like, wouldn't I have been there?
No.
2 seconds earlier.
So we got her signature. And she's just doing one by one. What was it again?
One-handed.
One-handed.
Yeah.
Meanwhile,
Yeah, why is Olor on it but I'm not on it? That's really
Well,
strange.
you were busy doing one by one.
Oh, okay. That's fair enough. Can I sign on the red one? Because
Yeah.
the red's completely empty here. Okay. I just misspelled my own name. It's okay, I fixed it. Alright, there we go. I wrote TNG instead of TING.
People will think it's TNL.
I know. Tingman.
Yeah.
Ta-da! Ta-da! King boy. He was here before he did clock, and then he's not competing for the rest of the day.
many minutes later.
Tingman in his natural habitat, cubing. Tingman also likes dad jokes. What do we get when we combine dad jokes and cubing? You get this.
3, 2, 1, go!
I'm afraid for the calendar. Its days are numbered.
That's terrible.
I've started.
Walk around with $0.
Oh, you're doing one-handed. Oh, okay.
Singing in the shower is fun until you get soap in your mouth. Then it's a soap opera.
That's not even. Oh, what happened?
What do you call a fish wearing a bow tie?
What?
Sophisticated.
Well, I mean,
they're
not wrong.
I thought the dryer was shrinking my clothes. Turns out it was the refrigerator all along. What do a tick and the Eiffel Tower have in common?
What?
They're both parasites.
That is true.
Do you know why koala's not a bear?
Why?
Because it doesn't have qualifications.
I saw that coming a mile away, and I just couldn't stop it. No!
Winner!
Oh!
That was close.
That was
1 minute 27, 1 minute 28.
And what's your favourite dad joke?
My dad joke is, what do you do if you see a spaceman?
I don't know.
You park in it, man.
That's terrible.
That's a good one.
Why the chicken cross the road?
Why?
To go to the idiot's house. Knock knock.
Oh no. No, it's the chicken. It's the chicken. No one's home.
Who should everyone subscribe to?
Ozymandias.
Yes.
Correct.
No worries.
Alright, good. Have a good day.
Epilogue.
Yes. 31303. It's a nice red.
Moments later.
And then write DNF. And the reason it's a DNF is because you can see.
So if any of the clocks aren't pointing the right way, it's a DNF.
Maybe it's
So you've solved it
completely
to the
upside
right side.
down. can't believe it's upside down. That's double work.
Because, yeah, it's how much way you receive it.
I know. I'm.
Could be anywhere.
That was close.
More moments later.
Yeah, ready.
You get the idea.
DNF'd again.